What are you doing? Are you trying to get your sissy out to bed? I'm trying to get my sissy out to bed. This is my bed. She was already in there, big guy. You hear me? What are you doing? Now you're gonna play love bug. You know your sissy's already in there. That's not right. Hey, don't do that to your sis. You can share the bed. Don't be mean. Don't be mean. You gonna get him. Hey, you gonna go CPs like that? You gonna bug your sissy? Huh? Monty, what are you doing? What are you doing? There's lots of beds. Yeah, but I want this bed. It's mine. You gotta get out of there and leave your sissy be. You gotta get out of there and leave your sissy be. You know your sissy's gonna get mad at you. Alrighty. Let's finish this up. I don't want a big fight.